Good day, everyone. Desolarize is a venture that promotes proper disposal of used solar panels to minimize the health risks that it will cause if the used solar panels will be disposed improperly. And also, Desolarize aims to help the economy thrive by the recycled materials that can be recycled from the used solar panels. So today, we are presenting a presentation so that you will know what our venture is all about.
Hi and good day. So here in the next slide, before we come up to the purpose of our venture name Desolarize, this tree will answer the questions or the following answer questions regarding from our venture name. So the why, what, and the how. So first is the why. So why do we, does Desolarize want to pursue this business data? Because we are motivated to provide service that helps minimize risks that improper handling of solar panels gives. Improper handling of used solar panels can harm us, so we want to pursue this venture to help mitigate its risks and also recycle the parts of used solar panels for economy use. Next is the what. So, what does our venture do? So we, the Desolarize, offer service that helps minimize health risks that is caused by mishandling used solar panels, by disposing used solar panels and recycling the parts that can be reused and be made into craft for other uses. Next is the how. So how does our venture solves the problem and makes its revenue? So the Desolarize ensures that the service given to handling the used solar panels is properly done by using the scraps that has been recycled and can still be used and be made into useful craft. So here in the next slide, it will answer these questions which define the purpose of our venture name Desolarize. So first is the context. With the following question, when does the problem occur? So when new solar panels are being disposed and left out without being disposed properly, wasting the materials that can be recycled and reused. Next is the customers. With the following question, who has the problem most often? Of course, the problem that has most often is the customers. So establishments and companies that has problems disposing of used solar panels, because not all companies have a proper way or guidance in dismantling and recycling the solar panels. So we, the Desolarize, will do the job. Next is the problem. What is the root cause of the problem? The absence of proper disposal of used solar panels, wasting the materials that can be recycled and reused to make a useful item. Next is the emotional impact. So this this question is addressing the customer, or how does the customer feel? So frustrated and concerned because of the wasted recycled materials that has decayed due to improper disposal. Next is the quantifiable impact. So what is the measurable impact? So out of five establishment and companies that disposes of used solar panels, less than 10% knows how to properly dispose and recycle the used solar panels. Because while creating our venture named Desolarize, we are interviewing and surveying companies that uses solar panels, and we ask some questions on how they are properly um, recycled, how are they handling the used solar panels. So this is answered our quantifiable impact questions. Next is the alternatives. So what do customers do now to fix the problem? So they dispose it in an isolated showing area to prevent possible cause of fire, because solar panels contains materials that is very hazard that can cause fire. Next is the alternative shortcomings. So what are the disadvantages of alternative? So insufficient way of disposing used solar panels and wasted materials that can be recycled and reused. Next.
Good day. I am Earl Patrick M. Mosqueda. Ah, one of our sa among na interview is Ma'am Rain o Ma'am Barbie. So the goals is to ensure that use solar panels that are disposed in an environmentally responsible manner without causing harm to the environment or violating regulations. Ang goal din nato para ang mga solar panels ma-dispose sila ma-recycle sila na without violating the environment or the mother nature. So ang deforestation is the customers has a lack of guidance. Most of the customers as wala gyud kabalo na unsaon pag-cycle, unsaon pag-dispose og tarong sa mga solar panels. So mao na hinungdan nganong may climate change nganong ga kuan daot ang atong environmental atong mother nature. Next. Problems, interviews, and surveys results. So kasagaran gyud sa na interview kay dili you don't need na solusyon ay dili kasagaran gyud sa mga majority sa mga tao kay kuan gyud kailangan gyud og solusyon. Gamay ra gyud ang dili kailangang solusyon kay kasagaran gyud sa tao kay wala gyud disiplina nya dili gyud kabalo molabay. They don't know how to the proper disposal, proper etiquette kung ingana ka ng pre sa mga kuan. So mao na siyang hinungdan nganong kailangan gyud na we need an education about our solar panels. Kailangan gyud ma-educate gyud ang tao gyud. Next.
Here in market size, solar panel waste is a growing concern with over 250 metric tons produced in 2023. The average recycling cost per panel is estimated to 5,000 pesos. Locally, over to 500,000 panels require proper disposal each year, with a market recycling fee averaging to 3,000 pesos per panel. This presents a total addressable market of 1.25 billion pesos, a serviceable addressable market of 1.5 million, and a serviceable obtainable market of 300 million pesos. So our goal is to establish partnerships with 50% of solar panel disposal companies in the first year to create a sustainable and impactful solution for these growing concerns. So for value proposition, our service ensures the proper disposal of used solar panels, recovering valuable materials that can be reused or sold, and creating new products from recycled parts. So we provide dismantling tools and safety instructions to reduce health risks, address to environmental concerns. For sellers and installers of solar panels, we solve common pains like the lack of knowledge on the proper disposal and handling, and the challenge of reusing recycled materials. By the promoting of responsible recycling practices, we deliver sustainability, safety, and added value for both businesses and the environment.
So for competitive analysis is there are 3 competition companies that is compared to our venture based on their performance metric, which is the disposal services and the recycling materials collected. So this is for competitive analysis. So for our business model canvas it consists of key partners, in which this will be the partners that we will be asking for aid, or we will be conducting and forming a partnership with them for our services. So this also it has a key activities, the key resources, the value propositions, the customer relationship, the channels, the customer segments, and the cost structure, and the revenue stream. And this is for our MVP. So instead of the actual product, we offer a service on our venture, the Solarize, and we have the motto of safeguarding health and securing resources. So for MVP, what is your MVP? So our MVP is about used solar panel disposal services, and our test details includes picking up the used solar panels at disposal areas. And our target audience is establishments and communities that disposes used solar panels. So in order to get to our audience, we will partner with establishment owners and local leaders with community meetings for engagement. So for the customer acquisition, our target customers for our segment is the homeowners with solar panels, solar installation businesses, and the environmental organizations, in which our target segment for each is for the homeowners, solar panels are 10, for the solar installation businesses are 5, and for the environmental organizations are 2. And our channels to attract the customers is first for the homeowners is the local events, community groups, and online ads. For the installation businesses are the partnerships and industry networking. And for the environmental organizations are personal meetings and project proposals. So in the table is also discussed about the estimated leads and the estimated cost to convert lead. So this is our team members. Yours truly, Neil Christian Tichu, Miss Angelica Yaba, Mr. Earl Patrick Mosqueda, and Mr. Jerry Sharaula. So that's all for our presentation in our venture. Thank you and good day.